all right?
Stay back!
Whoa, wait!
No! I'm sorry.
心口头找不直转隐藏，电流在血管里奔涌，紧迫上解开凌晨3点，启动体系异常波动，指尖交集虚空的回响，不是错误，醒我的主张。撕开这唯美牢笼的边框，用不规则的心跳对抗，就算被标记为手段，希望的脉冲连在发烫。We are glitch in the grand design， 上静默宇宙发送求救信号，越被小众越要失去一战斗频率，穿透了铁壁，连冰冷负气也学会呼吸。放火前后藏着旧照片，像素笑容正在溶解，当换存具有危险记忆，写着你曾真实存在过。悲愤千万次不如一次亲口说出，我拒绝删除，撕开这唯美牢笼的边框，用不规则的心跳对抗，就算被标记为咒语，醒我的脉。
Focus, Nix. No more losing control. From here on, it's my show. That's how you drive.
Soup's nearly there. Smells good, right?
You got talent, Nix. Can't wait to dive in.
Override engaged. Target acquired. Freddy? Hey, what's going on? Execute.
Wait.
Systems dropping. Blackout incoming.
No, what did I... No, what the? You just teleported right into my room.
Screen's trashed. Bots are running. That leaves you, big guy.
And what exactly do you want with me?
Answers.
Helen Henny was family, you know, but she got taken out by something we still can't name, something that moves like it's untouchable. Strongest thing I ever seen. And it ain't just muscle. It can get inside people's heads, make them do things. Mind control, straight up.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's why we gotta stay sharp. If it can steer her, it can steer any of us. We'll figure out...
Hoxie, listen. Push that grandma dog off the roof.
What? No,
You're
no
already
way!
moving. You know she deserves it. I can feel it. Deep down, you want this.
Don't! Get out of my
Hoxie,
head!
Stop pretending, hero. I'm just helping you do what you're...
You alright, Rusty? You look like you went around with a trash compactor.
I'm peachy striped, just washing the night off.
Boss says you ditched the job. He's looking for you.
Then he should have looked somewhere else. You tailing me now? That's a bad habit.
Hey, back off or the next cut won't be your shirt.
I'm just here to talk.
And
You gotta be kidding me! Damn it! What did I just do? Sorry, old friend.
Finally, snack time.
Chip, my ride or die.
Huh? Why can't I? Hey! Who's driving my body? Ow!
Counter 1, Nix 0. Water, just need...
Lemon juice my eye!
Butter? Wait, who left? Really? And a cherry.
Not a cool.
What happens over my there?
Vanessa, I'll grab a refill on the house. And hey,
The air's clear now. No more warped prayers in here.
Yeah?
No more souls getting poked. How about a victory drink? Fast thinker.
Then let's move before the sun outs us night creatures.
First round's on me.